Hey guys, I'm A.
And I'm Jay, and welcome to A&J Vlogs. You will need 3 boxes of strawberries. The next thing you're going to need is 2.5 cups of Mexican cream. You can use any kind of cream as long as it doesn't have salt. And 1 cup of sugar. The first thing you should do is wash all 3 boxes of your strawberries. The next thing you should do is remove the leaves from the strawberries. After you cut your strawberries leaves, the next thing you should do is cut your strawberries into fourths or whatever size you would like. After you're finished cutting up all the strawberries, you're going to add your 2.5 cups of Mexican cream. Once you add all your Mexican cream, begin to stir. After you mix your Mexican cream with your strawberries, you will add the 1 cup of sugar. Mix the sugar until it dissolves.
And this is your final result. They were really delicious.
Please like and subscribe.
And follow us on Instagram.